Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a little need for myself for a little art therapy. And on the day that I finally have 50,000 subscribers, for sure, this time, I got glasses on. I got a 16 by 20 inch canvas in front of me. I've got a refill of white paint. I'm going to introduce everybody who's not familiar with my OXO omelet turning spatula. My OXO omelet turning miraculous paint spreading spatula. Available on the Amazon link below the video. If you click show more, you'll find it. Anyway, so my computer crashed today, and I just replaced my computer like less than 2 months ago, so I got rid of the security program in there, or let's say I'm in the middle of attempting to get rid of it, and I'm going to stick with my Windows Defender at this point. Oh, and it's pool season. The pool is open. Woo! Yeah! It's been months. It's been so long. It's as bad as it is living without a pool. To have a pool and not be able to use it, kind of not fun. See, I like this spatula because I can see what's in the paint. Now, I might wish I hadn't done that, in as much as I meant to mix up a dish of color, but I do have space behind me to put this down. And I do want to mix up a dish of color, and this dish of color will fit my children's beach sand shovel. Now, I have been sort of I spy on a lot of different videos, and I have Instagram. My Instagram account is at the bottom of my under the description under the video, and I have seen some really wild colors, and I'm thinking that I need to throw caution to the winds and just have some fun, like that kind of fun right there, with the wild neon colored green, and hope for the best. I really just want some rainbow stuff. Unfortunately, I have lots of colors. I keep thinking I'd like to use a lot of white, and then I don't do it. But I think if I pour this down and I inject some white into it, like I've been seeing other people do, that I might be very pleased with my results. What else do I want over there? That is a color shift from Folk Art. That's a minty green. This is my precious Folk Art, or at least I thought it was a Folk Art. Color shift blue. I kind of want either some magenta or some red. It's still a magenta red. Feels very risky right now. More of my purple. Maybe some more, maybe the darker purple. And I'm going to have to hold this right up, because the last time I put something down, it just went right ahead and dumped all over everything. So let's bring back that canvas. Here we go. Grab my shovel, which may turn into a scoop. Whoops. Yeah, well, there we go, right there. Let's pour some of that right off into our shovel, shall we? Let's just see what happens. This is, whoa, yeah, that was not what I had planned. Okay, well, accidents will happen once in a while. Let's go backwards. And forwards. And everywhere in between. I've got lots of tools like bamboo skewers and ball chain, and every intention of going ahead, giving myself permission to start in the funkiest way possible. Look at those beautiful cells in there. And just continue right on until I get something strange, and then see what I can do with the strange thing I get. I have, right over here, Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas, and my intention is to pour right out of that iPod box. Just not waste any paint at all. I have this really strange idea that I want to try, and I don't know how it's going to work, and I'm not even sure this is the right artwork to try and work it. But in the meantime, look at those beautiful cells there. And I can just actually take those right off my spatula. Sometimes. Maybe. And let them fall where they may, or where I put them is a better way to put that. So I guess my idea is to start with whatever I get and move on from that and add some other stuff. So I could do that, and I probably will. Oh, I thought that was black. Okay, never mind. I'm just trying to get as far out there as I can. This is pretty far out there. Just letting free my abstract expressionist soul. And having some fun, because I need some fun. Fun is good. And I've got skewers, but I have this really strange tool, and I want to just, it's like an ice cube tray. I believe it was an ice cube tray at one point in time, Stars and Stripes. I want to take it and swipe the bottom. Because I can. Which is, by the way, yes, you know, it's coming, the name of my book on the Amazon link below the video. I don't know if I want to do that anywhere else, but I'm going to do it over here because I can also. And I've got that paint on there, and I put a layer of white paint on there so I could do something else with it. Let's just go over here. Okay, I'm officially having too much fun now. So we've got some really funky textures, and I'm not unhappy with them. And I'm just going to keep starting from where I'm at, and I'll move along from that point. Because this is fun. I'm having a good time. This is what I needed. I needed a good time. So I'm going to take that orange right there, put that down right here, and do it again. Because I can. I like how that rhymes. I can't help it. I'm a wicked kid at heart. It's a better day than it was when my computer was crashing already. So I'm going to put that down on my little silicone pad I keep next to me right now and try and think about what I want to do next. And I think over here somewhere is my tubing, so I'm going to blow that around. Blow that paint around, yes. Am I going to just take my basting brush and see what happens? Am I going to put some chain in there? This is just the most irreverent thing ever. It's just fun. Like I said, I needed some fun. We could torch, because torching will sometimes release patterns in the paint. I didn't tip. Doesn't mean I can't. I don't want to get rid of all my white space. I've got some of the wild colors I was thinking I might get. I know I can just take that basting brush and drop it on some stuff. I guess if I'm quick enough, just because I was having fun now, I can always move on to doing another painting. Yeah, I like those dots. Let's just steal some paint and dot it up. Alright, that is fun. I'll go for the side. I don't want to go too much further. I might regret it. I don't have anything on my edges at all, but I guess we'd just call this a framed one. Do I want to tip? I probably don't, but I am anyway. I like my stripes. My silicone ice cube tray stripes. That just looks like an aerial view of an amusement park to me, so I should tell you some of the things I usually tell you. Say this was really fast. Colors were really wild, and I'm tempted to just think I'm probably going to do another painting because I can, which is now in paperback as well as an ebook. So I hope you guys have fun with that. We've had really good reviews. I've got Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook albums at the very bottom of the description. Yes, I'm a chain addict. I gotta be careful. I'm making some funky colored. I don't think that was helpful at all. Oh, darn. And I was so busy telling you stuff too. That's going in the bucket. This is going right off the canvas, right here, right now. Goodbye. What do I want in there? I want something obnoxious. I want a few obnoxious things. And I will just swipe them together. Well, that's not coming out. Never mind then. I think that green. Alright, let's see what happens. I don't want any more mud there. I'm going to take some of that pretty color and put it over here. Well, I thought I was anyway. I think a little black is overdue. Yeah, I just want to give myself permission to be playful and funky. And I think this is the ticket. It's different, that's for sure. Why not? Why not just play? Maybe because it might be horrible? Or it might be really cool. Or really horrible. Or really cool. Or really horrible. Or really cool. I'm not sure which is going to be right now. But in any case, I'm still having fun. I just want to play. What can I say? I want to pull some patterns with my spatulas because I can. Maybe because I need to. This is a perfect example of the kind of day I've had. Just don't know what's coming next. Dragons Gone Wild. Dragon Playland? I guess I had too much time left on the clock to give myself permission to stop. It won't be to everyone's taste, I'm pretty sure. But giving yourself permission to be really obnoxious is wonderful, cathartic. And, you know, I don't have to show this to anyone if I hate it. What else do I want in there? I kind of want some pink. It's so abstract expressionist. Whoa, that is not what I had in mind at all. But that's okay. As long as I'm at it, why not? You never know until you try. I think it takes a lot more focus to do this than it does to do other things. But I bet somebody actually likes this. Although I better stop soon or nobody will like it. Well, somebody will always like it, but alright, so that was fun and that was therapeutic, and I got a minute left, and my camera will shut off in 20 minutes, so I set it for 17, and then I talked to you guys. I told you that there's Pinterest and Instagram and Facebook albums at the bottom of the description underneath the video if you want to find any of that stuff. That's where to look for it. What else? In the last 20 seconds of this video, it's going to show you end screens that will enable you to find my website if you so desire, and subscribe if you so desire. Thank you to 50,000 subscribers, by the way. I think I might have said that in the beginning. She got 50,000 subscribers and then she did that. It's got to happen. You just got to give yourself permission to get funky. Get down and get funky sometimes, because you can. And I'm going to lose you guys in a minute. So I have Shop Now buttons on my Facebook pages for things from Fine Art America. And there's also Curios. There's Teespring underneath the video. I like that. I know I was supposed to stop, but I'm still having fun, and I think it's not a good idea to cancel fun at this point. I need some. I like the yellow. I like the shapes. I think I might need a spiral there. I may not have needed that extra dollop of paint, but I will lose you. And if you guys contribute to help keep the studio rolling, I could still use the help, and you will be entered in a contest where the paintings that I offer in that month, be it 3 or 4 at the time, if your name is drawn, you'll get to pick one, and I'll send it to you. That's better. I like that much better. I like the idea that the black might stay and not completely sink all the way up. Under. Up, under. Anyway, so this is going to have to be a frameable piece no matter what. And this is the most abstract expressionist thing I've done for a long time. And this is the chaos that was in my head today. And I love you guys. Keep making comments. Please be nice. And thank you for all the contributions in the past. And what else can I say? I can say this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. And my recipe, should you want it, is below the video in the body of the description underneath. And PayPal and Patreon are the places to donate if you want to do that. Shop my Amazon link at no added cost to you for the omelet turning spatulas and the Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas. And my gold mica powder is awesome. And you can ask me anything anytime you want to, and I will answer you to the best of my ability as soon as I can. And I'm just never done until I say I am, and even then I'm still not done. So you guys take care. Hopefully I'll see you in the next video. This is Priscilla Batzell. I said that already. Okay, I'm out of here. I love you guys. Go have some fun. Yeah. Art therapy. And you guys are still here, so we'll zoom in. I'm not sure what the point of that is. I'm going to have to torch one more time, just to make sure that there are no bubbles. Might release some patterns. We got some patterns.